Yeah, we're pretty much here now. But yeah, as I said, I don't know how many people are really going to be out. Oh, there's a fair few. There's a fair few. We'll see. Well, you know the drill. We'll go around. We'll go around this time with the bike because I don't know if I'm actually going to bring out the drone. That's just all. So yeah, we'll go around. We'll see what we find. No entry. Yeah, fuck off. Couple Ninja 400s. Ninja gang. Yamaha R6, R1 maybe. Yeah, there's a couple of this, that. It's pretty good. R1's in again, I know him. CBRs. I know one of my mates ain't coming because it was raining. He bitched it. He bitched it big. Like a fucking pussy. That's alright though. Yeah, there's a couple of this. If the rain, oh, the H2's out. Yeah, I know where he's at. That's alright. There's a bit. I think the pre-meet people are still coming, so I'm not too sure. So, but we'll soon see if a big group of them do rock up. Then, yeah, you know. Ah, well. We'll go around, we'll have a look, let's have a suss. Oh. That's a beast. Booster, Hassan. Knew the H2 would be out. Man, that is beautiful, isn't it? That is really nice. Now that's good fun with the owner is. Good friends with him, so that's good. Hey,
how's it going?
Not bad, and yourself?
Yeah, not bad.
Hey,
Fun to see you.
Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, same old.
Where are you at?
Me, I parked up over there.
Oh,
Yeah.
CBR over.
Hey,
Bring it over. Yours.
do you want to get it for me?
Oh, fuck, you're a lazy cunt.
No, I could do it here. I could do
Yeah,
it.
no, you do. I don't want
Where are you boys? Right here?
I ride a CBR enough, that's it.
Did you bring the CBR out?
Yeah, my old man brought my CBR.
Oh, killer. Yeah, I'll park one right here. Done. Kill people. I'm actually gonna put up next to the H2 just because of fucking God. Oh, I hate reversing bike. Oh, I'm too old. Nice. Man, so I'm in the photo shoot. Please tell me I'm recording.
Yep.
Killer.
I had mine on, I've taken it off.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's in the bag now. GoPro. No.
It's probably wipe the lens. It might have water on it.
I was going to stick my GoPros on my bike. I've got 2 of them.
Yeah.
I'm going to get the helmet.
I've got a try out, yeah.
No, Triforce or whatever the fuck it's called. The helmet's going to come and built in. Oh.
Really?
One of the blokes I know, HR's got one.
Jesus.
It's the grey, like this kind of R1, but it's fucking grey. He's got one. Cost him about.
That's a 08.
I got no clue.
It's an 06.
No, 08.
Fucking sucks it had to rain. I hate riding the rain.
Yeah, for burnouts, bro.
Yeah, but I hate the rain, man. It's too much effort to ride in the rain. Well, now I gotta get wet.
Came around that corner fucking
That's
sideways.
right. Mine
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah?
Suede seat. Custom seat.
Oh, killer.
Yeah. It just soaks up the water.
That's beautiful. That's perfect. So is that the CBR yours?
Yeah, this black CBR is mine.
Yeah.
My kickbox daily.
Yeah?
So I got the daily, and then I got the daily for the daily.
You got double daily.
So I got a daily for the daily for the daily.
Well, you got 2 hands and 2 bikes, so
Well, that's it.
shit.
Fast kicks, 1 for each bike.
Yeah, exactly.
You got 2 wires too, 1 for each bike.
2 hands, that's yeah, 1 for each throttle. Don't need to worry about the clutch.
True that.
Not with this, it's fucking slip gear. Keep them going up, man.
Yeah, you can do it with this too. Yes.
Fucking happy.
No, I can't do it with mine.
I can with this.
What year's yours?
Stomping down hard enough.
16.
What the fuck?
You just hold it flat, all the way off, back on. And
Nah, I can't.
straight in gear. Just goes, you see, just bar, bar, bar.
With my bike, it's got like a protector, so I can stomp it as hard as I want, no clutch, but it won't go.
You take that protector off, bro.
Yeah, sure.
With this, you just slap it in the gear.
Is yours newer than his?
No, mine's 15. Oh, 15.
That's 2016. I might put the bag on my seat, or else my seat's going to be completely soaked.
Haha. Killer.
I don't think there's even a point.
It's gone. It's soaked.
Bro, don't worry.
Push your hand into it. Oh yeah, a little bit of a point. May as well.
Look, it won't get any wetter if you put it on.
Yeah.
I'm already going to get a wet ass as it is, so it should be right.
True that. Oh man. I can't be fucked. I'm too lazy today. Anyway, fellas, as you saw, it was not too bad of a turnout. I don't blame the people who didn't end up going because, you know, it was fucking raining. It did bucket down a bit, actually. My bike is soaked, and I gotta go home and clean it. See what I do for you guys? Oh well. It is what it is. But anyway, bit of a short video. But yeah, there was no drone footage as you saw because it wasn't so much windy, it was just raining, and then yeah, I didn't want to fuck up the drone, so I was like, I'll just leave it. So yeah, nah, but it was alright. It was what can I say? It was a decent turnout for the weather. So yeah, it was pretty good. Oh well, anyway, fellas, I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, there'll definitely be more like that, but we'll see you around. Take care, fellas.